web3.tv.
Welcome back to another interview at the Solana Breakpoint Abu Dhabi 2025. Degens and crypto enthusiasts, welcome. We are here with Anton from AI Sol. We actually met 2 years ago, 1 year ago.
1 year ago when it was flooding in Dubai.
In Dubai. Let's not talk about that. So
Yes.
tell us a bit about yourself. Who are you?
Well, yes, I'm Anton Verigin. Recently, I joined AI Sol team, and we connect any LLM with any D app on Solana.
Oh,
so
cool.
Imagine directly through a ChatGPT interface, you can execute any on-chain transaction you would like.
Okay.
Swap, sell token, buy token, stake it, unstake, send to liquid staking token, pool. It doesn't matter because we can handle all the types of transactions.
Whoa, that's very cool. And what are you the founder?
Yes.
Co-founder?
I'm core contributor, co-founder.
Co-contributor. What inspired you to launch this?
Well, previously we came out of the validation side of the business, and we validate multiple types of chain. But recently we started to validate Solana, and that's why we decided to stop at this specific blockchain, because it is very fast, it's very reliable, it can do almost anything you can just imagine to. So that's what inspires me to start.
Oh, very cool. So going into the monetization of things, how do you monetize? How do you make money? How do others make money?
Yes, now we are bootstrapping this project, and the main revenue comes out from the validation side. But as soon as we will develop our own MCP hub, we will have plenty of revenue stream. First of all, this is the transaction fees. Then it's auction bids, because there are similar DApps that could compete to execute the intent of user from ChatGPT. For example, there are two applications who can execute staking, and they need to compete to make this transaction possible. The bid is higher, this is the winner. Mm-hmm. So this is the second one. The third one is the integration fees. And also we will charge for MCP calls, because we will host the MCP, all MCPs on our side.
Wow, very cool. And for those who don't know, what are the MCPs exactly? What are they?
This is Model Context Protocol. This is just a wrap up for the APIs. So this is basically the standard of APIs, which makes it easily connect to any LLM. So basically, this is the standardized API.
Okay, got it. So going into the future, where do you see AI Sol happening? Can you give us like a Web3 TV exclusive, any new features, secret features you haven't announced that are coming soon?
Well, yes, recently we have just developed our own portfolio tracking, and we just tried Anatoly's wallet, and I believe it will help him and most of the developers, founders, influencers, KOLs to manage their portfolio, because you can manage your own risks and etc. But in the future, we would like to invite 1.5 billion of users which are fluently in crypto space, which are not. They don't know what is Web3, but they don't know what is crypto. But they see their favorite influencer, their favorite KOL, and they would like to follow his journey. They would like to buy some Bitcoin, Solana, whatever. And all they need now with our help is their intent. We can execute everything. So we are aiming to these 1.5 billion of users, which are not now the users of Web3, but soon they will be.
Okay, wow, that's great. So for those watching, if they're interested to get in touch, where can they find you and AI Sol?
Yes, we are at this booth, so you have 2 days more to get us in touch. We are also well known in the Twitter community. We have been followed up by some super teams, by very famous founders of Solana. You can just check our Twitter, it's AI Sol Fee, and check it by yourself. Yeah, so we are looking for different apps to get integrated to our MCP hub. We have lots of letter of intents by them, and we see lots of interest by this Solana community.
Great.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time, Anton.
Thank you, Adel. It was a pleasure to meet you once again.
Yes. And
It was
great to
great
see
time.
you're building great things. So all the best.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Anton's profile as well as AI Soul. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Thanks.
Web3.tv